Alright, I'm going to do my first meal prep. I actually have never done one before in my life. But this is going to be based just on my favorite burrito. It's based on the Oregon burrito, but a vegan version. So I got the vegan cheese, vegan meat. That'll be the steak. It's a steak and potato burrito. So the steak and the potatoes, like the ones with the peppers in it, just for a little more fun. And then got a fresh jalapeno. So I'll just use half for one batch. One batch is 1 pack of meat, 1 pack of potatoes, and 1 pack of cheese, and a mix of these 2 beans. So I'll just mix these together, and that should be 1 batch, and then I'll make a second batch using the other half of this. Same thing. We'll see how many that makes, though. I'm gonna eat at least 2 of them, so that's -2 already, right off the bat. Alright, so I just made cubes. So basically I cut this pack in half and then cut it into fourths, and then just make cubes. And so I put this much into the pan right now, and then once it's gotten a few sides cooked on a few sides, like you stir every once in a while they're still cubes, then I come in and smash it, and so that's what it is right now. So it's like half smashed, like half ground and half cubed, kind of like a smash burger maybe. That's the texture I'm going to go for the burritos. And then I mix the jalapeno pepper, half the jalapeno pepper into 1 pack of these O'Brien potatoes. Fragrant. Oh, and I put lots of garlic, lots of onion, and some garlic salt and pepper. It's definitely fragrant. It's nice. Alright, I got I'm doing 2 plates at a time, so 4 at a time. Got that much cheese per burrito. As you can see, there's the refried, and then the mixed beans on top of that. And then I also forgot, I had to season the meat with black pepper, garlic, and onion. Can never have too much onion powder, that's for sure. Two. There. The meat definitely cooks quicker than the O'Brien's, because they were frozen and there's a lot of it. So I put the top on just to speed up the process. I think they're already pre-cooked but frozen, so I'm just warming them up. So the top will make quicker work of that. And once that's, I guess I can just transfer that and then start on the next one. Okay. So, perfect. Let's leave those to warm and do the next one. I should mention, I did for 4 burritos, those 2 plus these 2, I did 1 can of that plus 1 can of refried, 1 can of tri-bean blend, and 1 can of refried. Makes 4 of these. So I forgot, I'm doing my next batch of Beyond Beef. I forgot that I already seasoned the oil before when I put them in. That way it coats, like as soon as you put it in, it's coating at least 1 layer. And then I guess I put in more after that too, so it'll taste really good. Apparently I forgot to turn the heat on, so that's taking a sweet ass time. Alright, so here's the taters. And so I just use half, and then I'll use the other half for the other 4, so I can make 8 per batch. So here's the cubes. They are cooked about 3 sides each. So now I'm going to smash them. Not like grind them, just smash them down a little bit so they go further. Okay, got a wobbly pan here. Like that. And then mix them up. I have to put the camera down. Oh, no, right. There you go. Like that. And then my favorite touch is sriracha and that's about enough. And then this what I call Batman powder. It's the nutritional yeast. It enhances the cheddar flavor, but it also gives you all the B12 vitamins that vegans crave.
By fast food is food that is ready and waiting for you. It's been cooked, not to order, but it's been cooked to be consumed, but nobody quite knows who's going to buy it yet.
Alright, there you have it. You got 6 burritos. I ate 2. Said I was gonna. I got 6 burritos. So that's 3 days. Probably some leftovers each day, but that's like 3 days. So however much money I'm saving, hopefully. I added it up. I think it's like, well, I'm not gonna say it, but it's quite a bit. I'm saving instead of having to go to Target for lunch or go to the food carts for lunch or Taco Bell. Everything, even Taco Bell's overpriced anymore. So I gotta start packing my own lunch.